Why do you want to be a judge?
Well, most of it's because I think I'm at the right spot where I can be of service in that position. We moved to Kittitas County about 5 years ago. Worked as a deputy prosecutor. I really enjoyed serving the county in that capacity. And now we have this opportunity, I guess. It's both an opportunity and a problem where we have two of our Superior Court judges retiring, and I believe that with my 5 years of criminal prosecution experience and my 10 years of private practice experience prior to that, I'm in a good spot to be able to serve the county as a Superior Court judge. And so I'm going to try to just serve them that way.
Why should the voters want you to be their judge?
So there's, aside from the experience I just mentioned, there's some issues that I've noticed in my years here in the Superior Court. I think we have an opportunity here to make the court more efficient, go over some of the local court rules, see where we can iron out some inefficiencies, maybe do some things like add a courthouse facilitator to make it easier for people to file their own divorces and things like that. A lot of counties have that. Doorbelling, I talked to a guy who said it took him $30,000 in 2 years to get a divorce, and it didn't sound like it was anything special. So I want to see if we can serve the people of the county better by speeding that process up and making it cheaper for the people involved.
How does your past qualify you for the position of judge?
Well, aside from my 15 years of experience as a lawyer at this point, where I've done almost everything, where I've seen almost every case a Superior Court judge would see, from family law to civil construction law to landlord-tenant and criminal defense and criminal prosecution. I also have life experience. Before I went to law school, I worked in the biotechnology industry for about 10 years. And I've got experience in the private sector, being able to work. My job involved processing a lot of data, so I have the experience of how to take in a lot of information and come to a decision. I've also have family experience. I had a child born with special needs, and that's informed a lot of what I've done since then, working on boards of facilities that help special needs children, helping get a special needs accessible playground built in Bremerton when we live there. And my wife and I are working on a project where we're trying to get a retreat center on some land we own for families with special needs so they can go outside. It's kind of a long-term dream project, but we're working on it. So it informs my empathy as well as my temperament, aside from just the calling balls and strikes type of legal experience.
And would you like to finish off your career as the Superior Court judge, or would you like to go somewhere else maybe after this?
I'm the kind of guy that never says never. Who knows what happens 10, 15 years down the road, but long term, I could see being a Superior Court judge for a long time. I like the trial courtroom. I've done some appellate work, and it's not as interesting to me. All the action seems to happen down in Superior Court or District Court or federal district courts, where the facts are being litigated, and that appeals to me more. So I think I'll be, if I'm elected, I'd be there a long time, probably as long as the people of Kittitas County want me.